All right, Dr. Kevin Bays, where do you practice at?
Lebanon, Missouri.
And how long have you been practicing?
I've been practicing in Lebanon since 2003.
2003. And how long have you been a chiropractor?
Since 1994.
Wow, so a while. But you've got a long time ahead of you too, right?
Yeah, yes.
All right, 2003. How long have you been an Integrity client?
I joined, I believe, in January of 2008.
2008,
so,
so
yeah.
Almost coming up on 5 years.
Yes.
Just shy of 5 years. Perfect. And Dr. Bays, is this your first time at our Top Flight conference?
My very first time, correct.
We are so excited to have you here in sunny Florida. Are you enjoying it?
Loving it. It's
And
wonderful.
Are you learning?
I'm learning. This has been so far the best seminar I've ever been to in my life.
And what's it meaning? I mean, what's some of the stuff that you've heard in this last couple days that's really impacting you?
Well, not only are we learning about practice, but we're learning about our life and what to do, with ourselves, so that we know how to, manage our finances and our money, and it's just amazing. It's amazing stuff.
Fabulous. You'll be back?
Absolutely.
Another Top Flight? You're planning for it?
Yes, planning for it. Definitely going to be in New York City next year, and Maui the following spring. And I'm going to also shoot for the one in San Francisco
this summer.
This summer, yes.
Fabulous. And 5 years. It took you 5 years to come to the first Top Flight.
Correct. It's taken way too long. We sat in the collections in the 30s forever. I just couldn't get myself to get up above that, and kick myself in the tail for not doing it a long time ago. But definitely a big fan of Integrity Management. I'm 100% on board with what they tell me, and still learning, but
Fabulous.
keep going. So
thank you.
Thank you.